Place a drill chuck right on top of the pipe. Don't worry, you won't regret it. And the best part, the chuck isn't even the tool you'll actually use. When a thread breaks off inside a connector and gets stuck, staring at you like, "Not today," frustration hits. But that ends now. With a simple, quick method, you pull it out in seconds. A genius move for anyone tired of wasting time